Jordan brand readies unearthed toned Air Jordan 1 Mid SE for fall 2025, subtly blending seasonal flair with everyday utility. While often overlooked by collectors, the Mid edition remains a strong seller among casual sneaker fans. The upcoming pair showcases light Orewood Brown suede on the toe box and quarters, off-noir nubuck overlays, and medium olive canvas at the collar, an autumn-ready trio of textures and tones. This neutral, toned-down look doesn't scream for attention but delivers dependable style and versatility for cooler months. Official images highlight the quality swaps and understated design choices, perfect for low-key wardrobes. Though the AJ1 Mid rarely sparks hype, it finds steady footing in closets year-round. Retailing at $135 in men's sizing, the release underscores Jordan brand's ability to keep even its quieter silhouettes fresh with seasonal updates that blend comfort, utility, and understated street appeal.